Hello friends, it's Sketchy, and today is one of those days where I have no idea what I'm going to draw. I just want to explore some creative ideas. I have a light gray marker, but you can use like a light blue pencil or a light red pencil or any kind of light pencil that you want, just to start kind of creating some crazy shapes. So I've got a piece of paper, and it is looking at me and saying, "What are you going to draw on me today?" And I'm gonna be like, I have no idea, but I'm gonna start making some marks. So the first mark I'm gonna make is some kind of like just a weird random sketch. I'm just creating some shapes. And this light marker allows me to see what I've recently drawn, but it's kind of going out. So there's lots of like lost and hidden things in there. It allows me to use my imagination, kind of like when you look up in the clouds and you see different shapes that inspire you and say, "Oh my gosh, I think it's a dragon," or "That's a whale," or "Is that a salamander?" or whatever. So I'm kind of creating my own little cloud. What does this look like to you? Right now, to me, it kind of looks like a bag with some stuff in it. Or let's see, maybe it's like a garden gnome. It's got a hat and a big nose. And he's a little squatty. Yeah. Let's turn him into a garden gnome. I'm gonna put an ear here and maybe an ear here. That's not gonna be his nose anymore. But I'm gonna have a big beard here. That looks like a big beard. There's a foot, maybe a foot here. But he's gotta hold something. Some kind of a prop. He's like, "Yeah, this is my garden, stay out." So maybe he's got one of those garden spades. Garden trowel thing. You scoop dirt up with it. Little hair coming out there. Big nose. Okay, yeah. Yep, looks like I got something. Now I'm gonna use a black pencil and just start like seeing what I can. I like this ear here, so I'm gonna draw a great big ear here. And he has a beard, and he's got a big nose. Let's draw a ginormous nose. And usually when you have a great big beard, there's some kind of bushy eyebrows. And just to make sure that he's got kind of a fun expression, I'm gonna give one eyebrow up, like this. Can you see that? Yep, so one of these eyebrows is gonna go way up high. Like he's like, "What the?" Yep, he is super surprised at whatever he is seeing. This guy's like, "I don't know what the heck." What the? Maybe he's happy surprised. Yeah. Make him happy surprised. And he's missing a tooth. Oh, he's got one of those old time beards. No mustache. He's got a big beard over here. He's got a match. Now, if you want to know what an ear looks like, go look in the mirror and just check out those ears. Try to draw your own ears. And maybe you can ask somebody to pose and you can draw their ears. It is one of the best way to learn how to draw ears, is just drawing them. What's fun about this kind of exercise is you don't have to get things perfect. It's just an exercise in creativity. So just keep that pencil moving and don't be afraid to make some weird choices. I think it's like he's got these old, those Holland wood shoes. Okay, that is one freaky garden gnome that just came out of our imagination by just coming up with our own shapes. What's fun about this kind of exercise is you don't have to get things perfect. It's just an exercise in creativity. So just keep that pencil moving and don't be afraid to make some weird choices. because this choice is super, super weird.
Hey friends, I'm Sketchy, and if you're new to the channel, let me tell you a little about me. I'm a professional illustrator and I've been doing work for about 25 years. I know it's hard to believe, but I'm here to teach you how to draw and maybe inspire you a little bit. Some of the posts I'll do will be just watching me draw and make my magic, and sometimes I will be teaching you step by step some instructions that'll help you learn to draw better. So stay tuned and be sure to subscribe.